My name is David Goyette, and I'm the campaign lead for the Camp Kawartha Healthcare Center campaign. And I'm here today with my friend Kathy Romano.
I'm the healthcare coordinator at Camp Kawartha.
So, Kathy, this is a building, the healthcare center, that has been around for a long, long time. Give me the story of the healthcare center.
So this building has been on site from at least the 1950s, as far as I know. I had the opportunity to meet the nurse who spent her summers there for 10 years, from 1955 to 1965. So we know that this building has been well used and well loved. The healthcare center is used primarily during the summer, and it provides 24/7 care to all of our campers and all of our staff.
So the reason we're running this campaign and the reason we're doing this video is because we're having a problem with the healthcare center. I should say the healthcare center is now demolished, am I right?
It is.
Down it's gone. Tell me why. Tell me, why did we demolish the center?
So we have tried to do renovations over the years, but the building, as you can appreciate, was built as a summer building. So it was like a very rustic cottage that does not meet the standards of 2020 healthcare.
Right. So let's look to the future a little bit. We're now proposing to build a brand new healthcare center for Camp Kawartha at about 1,200 square feet. And from what I understand, this will be an entirely modern building that builds on principles of sustainability. Take me through a little bit about what we can imagine when we see the new building and when it's finally built.
This building is going to be lovely. This building will have a waiting area for our campers and our families when they arrive to the camp to see the nurse. We'll have a proper assessment room. We will have rooms where, if needed, we can isolate campers, which obviously in 2020 is really vital.
So let's talk environmental matters and environmental responsibility. I understand that this building is going to have a zero carbon footprint, which is truly amazing and quite an accomplishment. Can you tell me about that?
In regards to that, the building will have some special features. It is a straw bale construction, which allows a building to reduce its heating cost. It will have net zero utility cost. It's going to have, as you said, a zero carbon footprint. It's going to have a zero fossil fuel use, zero waste output, and zero toxins. The building will be clean. It's not going to have the typical off-gassing of a normal build.
Wow, isn't that something?
It really is.
Okay, let's talk money. So this
Right.
project is going to cost some money.
It is.
The estimate I understand is $370,000, and we've raised a good portion of that already, $150,000 to go. Anybody who wants to donate can do so online at campkawartha.ca. They will be issued in certain circumstances a tax receipt, which is always valuable, of course, and we should say that we will be announcing at some point in time in the very near future the recognition that each one of our donors will receive for their wonderful contributions, which we hope will be forthcoming in the very near future. So, Kathy, thank you for your time today.
Thank you, David.